Eugene Domingo and Barbie Forteza are set to star in a new Netflix original. Bida or Kontrabida, you decide your first at Eugene Domingo and Barbie Forteza's Kontrabida Academy, coming soon only on Netflix, the streaming giant announced on Friday, January 31. Barbie expressed her excitement about the project. Wow, finally, it's out. I am so excited for this. Kontrabida Academy with Ms. Eugene Domingo, written and directed by Chris Martinez. Coming soon on at Netflix, Barbie posted on social media platform X. Fans online were also quick to share their elation about the project. Can't wait for this, the cast is amazing. One fan commented, looks exciting. Another fan wrote, Eugene Domingo recently starred in the Metro Manila Film Festival entry and the breadwinner is, headlined by Vice Ganda. In a previous interview, Eugene shared the experience working again with Vice. Nanambalik yung connection namin. After more than 10 years, this project felt perfect. It's something I'll never forget, and I'm so thankful to be part of Vice's movie, she said. The actress also remarked that the film brought something fresh and exciting to their dynamics as co-actors. Eugene was also part of the horror film Espantajo, another MMFF entry, headlined by Judy Ann Santos, Lorna Tolentino, and Chanda Romero. Na-starstruck ako. Ang galing ninyo. Grabe kayo. Walang biro. Grabe ka. Grabe. Nagtatrabaho sila sa harap mo. Hindi ko maipaliwanag yung sistema ng artista. Eugene said on working with the cast of the horror movie in a previous interview with Pep. She went on, pero you respect your co-actor. Kahit wala sa iyo yung camera, you should be there para susupport ka. And they were very consistent. And by the time yung camera, nakatutok na sa kanila, oh my God. May binigay pa, times 100. Meanwhile, Barbie recently starred in the romantic comedy film That Kind of Love with David Licauco. In an interview last year, Barbie there was a great purpose behind her decision to do the film. I guess the main purpose of all of us is to really put out a good film, na ibalik ang quality films na gawang Pilipino, na pelikulang Pilipino, na iyon yung papanoorin ng mga tao sa sinehan, hindi lang Hollywood films, hindi ba? Alam mo na Filipino-made films muna bago yung mga Hollywood films. Yun naman ang I think purpose bukod sa dito sa project na ito, it's the entirety of the film industry here in the Philippines. Gusto natin buhayin ulit ang industriya ng pelikulang Pilipino, she said. At saka maganda kasi panoorin ito pag mga first date, di ba? O kaya yung mga gusto nila ay rekindle yung mga love nila, yung that kind of love. Para ma-realize nila na kung gaano ka-powerful ang love. Ang saya kaya itong date movie, she stated.